Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. Let's take screenshot, for example, of settings list. And what you have to do next is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down, like this. And screenshot is taken. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. There is also an option of the long screenshot here. And here you can see you can make long screenshots on this device. And you can also make screenshot not with this combination. There is another method. You just hold down power key, and when this window appears, you just tap on screenshot, and screenshot is done. If you want to share, edit or delete your screenshot, you can always find it in the gallery. Here the screenshot albums. Here it is, our screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.